Ich habe wirklich sehr Angst vor seiner Reaktion. Der Tag macht es nicht mehr lange. Oh wow.
You need to stop the train.
Katjaa said it. Ich zeige ihm einfach.
Kenny.
What?
Ken.
What the hell's that?
Your son's blood.
Get out of here, Lee.
You know he's dying.
Nobody knows shit. He'll be fine.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't talk like that right now.
Go back there and tell my wife everything will be fine.
Nein,
What
das
is the
werde ich
goddamn
nicht.
deal? He's a little sick, but we can't just quit. It's a scratch. He's not like the others. Jesus, all y'all are just making it worse.
No, Kenny. Stop
Stop the train.
train.
Stop it, goddammit!
Fuck you, Lee.
You're gonna listen.
Or what?
Kenny. Clementine. Calm down.
down
Be
and-
there,
How the fuck do you
man.
calm down after a day like today?
By talking to your friend.
By talking to your friend.
You think you're the reason?
You think you're the reason Duck was bitten? Like you had this coming or something?
You didn't kill
You
Herschel's
didn't
son.
kill Herschel's son.
It was me.
I did. And now it's catching up to me.
Ah,
That's
fuck.
not what went down. You looked out for your kid. A bad thing happened to someone else's.
There ain't no way this world lets my son live when I help put someone else's in the ground.
That's not the way it works. You know that.
Oh, wow.
Stop the train, man.
Please, Kenny. Yes. Ohne ihn zusammenschlagen haben wir es geschafft. Sorry, Ken. Ja, wir kommen fast Tränen, Mann. Es ist schwer schlimm. Ich meine, du musst jemandem... Es ist nur ein Game, aber weißt, ich fühle mit diesen Charakteren mit. Darum game ich auch so gern. Und wenn du einem musst sagen, der dein Freund ist, hey, wir müssen anhalten. Wir müssen eventuell deinen Sohn töten. Jesus Christ.
Ken, I think it's time.
The boy's been bit, in case you haven't figured that out.
Wir machen so lange, wie ihr
Take as long
braucht.
as you need.
Wirklich, es ist scheiß
No
drauf.
time left to take. What are we gonna do?
We can't allow him to become one of those things.
But what if he doesn't?
Ken, I love you very much. I love our son more than life itself. I need
man.
you to hear me. What you are saying, that he may not turn, is foolish.
But
No.
Oh man.
come on, Kat.
If you think of one, you let me know.
Isn't there some sort of pill or something we can just give him?
Stop it.
Just drift off to sleep, right, hun? I mean, Jesus, this is our son.
I know, but we know it's here or nothing.
Fuck. Just who then? You want me to?
You don't have to.
I'll do it.
No,
Hey, ich mach's
you
für euch.
don't have to.
I'll do it.
No, it should be apparent.
No parent should have to do something like this.
Yep.
He's right, Kat. We can say our goodbyes and just let that be it.
Lee, you'd be doing this family a great service. Why don't we take him into the forest, so Clementine doesn't have to see?
Yep.
Yeah.
Give us a moment to say goodbye.
Of
Sure.
course.
Das ist mal... Das ist eine Zombie-Apokalypse, Mann. Nicht das Left 4 Dead. Nicht das Dead Island.
What's happening?
Das Resident Evil auch, aber das, Mann, das ist... Duck is dying.
Duck is dying.
I know.
Also wieso soll man dich anlügen,
What are you
Clementine?
doing?
Ich sag dir die Wahrheit. I'm putting him out of his misery.
I'm putting him out of his misery.
Oh,
Sorry, Clem.
Yeah. Look, Clem. Things are... What the... No! Ben, take Clementine into the train. Go. It'll be fine.
Was ist passiert? Wer hat sich verschossen? Katjaa hat sich selber noch mit verschossen. 100%ig Katjaa hat sich selber noch mit verschossen. Ja.
Cat! Katjaa!
Duck.
Why? Cat? Honey? Oh, fucking God!
Nein. Was
What
ist
the hell
passiert?
happened? What did you...
She could... She just... Oh, fuck!
Kenny. We need you. Komm, ich mach's für dich, Alter. Ach, Scheiße.
What do we do?
Ja, was willst du? Ich mach's für
Give me the
dich.
gun, kid. I'll do it.
Gang zurück zum Zug, du hast das nicht gesehen. Bitte mach's einfach nicht, ich will nicht zielen, Mann. Natürlich muss ich, Gott verdammt. Muss mein Finger sein, gell? Es muss mein Finger sein, fuck Spiele. Fuck. Fuck. Einfach nur Scheiße, Mann. Einfach nur Scheiße. Hey, ja, Leute, ich weiss nicht, was ich soll sagen. Ich bin einfach gerade so völlig mit meinen eigenen Gefühlen beschäftigt, was ich jetzt da so gemacht habe, in-game und so. Weil ich habe mal, wisst ihr, wieso dass mich das so... Es ist, ich habe mal gelesen, wenn man in-game Sachen macht, dann speichert es im Hirn, wie wenn man es richtig macht.
Understand what happened?
yes.
Also, ja, ich habe mal so einen psychologischen Test gelesen, aber ja, ist jetzt
Chuck
gleich.
said
What Chuck said?
that what happened to Duck would happen to me.
The fuck he did?
Swear.
Sorry.
Oh,
Took some sense into him.
Don't be mad.
Chuck. Man, was
Hey.
hast du gemacht?
How you doing?
I
Was-
don't care what reasons you had for doing it. No reason to go and tell my girl she's gonna end up dead.
Yep.
'Cause she is.
Ja, fuck. Recht hast du ja.
I don't know
Dummy.
much about you folks, but I can tell you as sure as the sun's gonna come up tomorrow. But y'all keep going on like this, and that girl ain't gonna make it.
What are you?
Hör auf, Mann.
I know that you don't have a goddamn plan. We get to Savannah, and then what?
Wir finden das Boot.
We find a boat.
You think that's a new idea? You got even the foggiest idea about where you're gonna find one of those. Look, sit down with the girl and hash it out. Find a map, for Christ's sake. I'd give you one if I had it. And if something were to happen to you,
It won't.
if it were, you gotta prepare the girl. Teach her to use a weapon, and for criming, he put that hair.
She's a little girl, man.
She's a little girl.
And she'll die a little girl if you treat her like one.
Oh,
You
man.
gotta consider her a living person. That's it. You're either living or you're not. You ain't little, you ain't a girl, you ain't a boy. You ain't strong or smart. You're alive.
Oh, man.
Look at her hair. You got her running around with a mop that's gonna act like Velcro to any hand swinging its way. Find some scissors in my pack and take care of that hair before a walker does it for
Oh,
you.
wow, du hast recht, Alter.
And then show her how to use a gun. Because like it or not, that's what saves your life from here on out.
Okay.
I
Ich
don't
würde sagen,
know how to do your job.
man, sie ist 8, aber
Viele
sie
people
kann das, sie
die
hat schon
already.
genug gesehen.
They have.
And seeing another little girl die might just do me in.
I hear you. A plan, a haircut, and a gun. It's good advice.
It's something.
Wo willst du hin?
Where are you headed?
That way?
I mean when we get to Savannah.
Got a few ideas. We'll have a talk when we get there about whether or not you folks want company.
Ist Familie?
You have any family?
Wahrscheinlich
Out
nicht.
there, somewhere. Been
Alright.
sort of on my own for the past, 14 years now.
Sorry to hear that.
No one to blame.
So, du bist heimatlos.
You're
Aber das ist ja
homeless,
klar, wenn er hinten rein
Eh, suppose. I've had homes here and there, and well, they just don't work out. I like a
Alright.
drink, you know.
Yeah.
Alki.
Got any?
No.
Darn.
Ja, ich habe
I shot the kid.
2 wahrscheinlich.
I suppose someone had to.
What a mess.
You said it.
Be safe up here.
You betcha.
Alright. So. Ein Plan. Eine Karte. Haben wir
Mind
schon
if
mal.
I get by you for a second, Kitty?
Can you just leave me alone?
Nein, sorry, ich brauche die Karte.
Hey, man.
You and me, we... oh, fuck it. Let's just get to the ocean.
Sind da irgendwelche Karten?
Are there any maps up here?
I don't know.
I just want to look over one with Clem so she has a lay of the land once we get to Savannah.
Kann ich es jetzt nehmen?
You mind if I look in there for a second?
I really wish you'd just leave me alone.
Sorry, Ken. Oh, man. Ben? Wie geht's dir,
Hey,
man?
Ben.
Hey,
Carly hat nicht sollen
Carly didn't
sterben.
have to die, you know.
she would have killed me instead.
Yeah, maybe.
Es sind nicht mehr viele von
Aren't
uns,
many
ne?
of us left.
Yeah. You, me, and Kenny. Clementine. The homeless dude if he sticks around.
Wir sind alle homeless.
We're all homeless.
You know what I mean.
Ja,
There's not much use in describing people by who they were.
Yeah, guess not.
ja.
See.
Ich bin allergic gewesen.
Yeah.
Ich will mal
The
behaupten...
door to the boxcar.
Ja, ja. Ich will mal behaupten, schlussendlich sind es nur noch ich und Clementine. Da hat er seinen Drink.
I hope
Aber ich
we're
gebe
not
es
on
nicht.
this train much longer.
Nein, ich will ihm nicht Alkohol bringen, wenn er schon so ein Alki ist. Ja.
They look clean enough.
Alright, hey Clemmy, wir müssen leider
Clem.
deine
Did you
Haare
talk to
abschneiden.
him?
I did. He had some, he explained himself and made some good points.
Yep.
Look, we're not gonna let anything bad happen to you, but there are some precautions we have to take.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Okay. What should we do?
Ah, man.
I'm gonna figure out a plan for when we get to Savannah. Teach you how to protect yourself and, tidy up a little so you can't get grabbed so easily.
I'd like that.
Okay.
Good.
Eben, was für ein Scheißtag.
Crappy day.
The crappiest.
Yep.
3 months ago, I'd known what you'd be seeing. I don't know if I would have taken you with me.
I probably would have run out of food.
You're damn near starved with me.
I'm glad I came with you.
Was denkst du über
What do
den
you
Chuck?
think about Chuck?
I don't know.
Me neither. He might be an okay guy, though.
Ja.
Think?
We'll keep an open mind about him. He's probably had it pretty rough.
Du musst lernen, auf dich selber Acht zu geben. Bin ich jetzt Exit? Nein, ich bin doch nicht Exit.
You need
okay.
to know how to protect yourself.
Like hiding or running away? Got it.
Nope.
I mean, with one of these. First, don't be afraid of it. It's just a thing. Take it. But know where your finger is all the time.
wow.
And don't put it on the trigger unless you want to hurt somebody.
Okay. Okay.
See? It's not scary.
It's heavy.
You'll get stronger. To aim, you look right down the top, through that notch. Line up the sight at the end with your target.
Ich kann mir vorstellen, dass da noch ein Unfall passiert. Langsam.
Squeeze the trigger. Steadily, okay? Don't give it a quick yank or pull.
Steady. I can do that.
Yep.
Every time. It'll be tough, but just remember to do that. You'll hit what you're aiming at.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, Clem.
Good. Don't lock your elbows. Okay, let's take your first shot. Squeeze the trigger smoothly, and I'll cover your ears. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
You okay?
My hands hurt. I don't like this.
Let's stick with it, okay?
Do I have to?
Yes, Clem.
Yeah, you do.
Keine Ahnung. Wo hat sie vorher? Ein bisschen rechts. Ich glaube, sie hat links
Bit to the
runtergeschossen.
right.
Und ein bisschen höher.
Okay, a little higher.
Bam!
I got it.
Excellent.
Zum
Good
Glück habe ich
shot.
gemerkt, wo sie vorher hergeschossen hat. He? Again? Alright. What's jetzt? Pulse
Steady now. Almost got it.
und ein bisschen höher.
Aim a little higher.
Yes!
There you go. Nice.
Alright, Clem. Du machst das gut. Yes!
Yeah, you
You're
did.
good.
job.
I squeezed the trigger, just like you said.
Ja, du bist super.
Good.
They're not walkers, though.
No, far from it. But you know how these things work now. We'll graduate you to walkers one day.
Okay. I feel good.
Not so scary, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. Gut. Immerhin weiss jetzt, hä? Das ist schon mal gut.